Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and do my outlook on tomorrow, and we're doing it completely raw. Completely raw. Like, so raw. But anyway, I might just get rid of all my drawings. Yeah, let's just do it. Fuck it. Restart. Alright, so obviously we're gonna draw this out first. Boom. NWOG. Sweet. If we don't fill this by New York AM, we can expect New York AM to go up into it. That is our first thing that we will be thinking about. The next thing I want to look at is what legs do we have? What older legs do we have? Our bullish ones got swept over here, but we still have our bearish ones. There's not any SMT there anymore. There is SMT here. Nigger. Is that gonna get me canceled? But yeah, SMT there. So skibbity. Um, 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 this is not clean. Alright, this is clean-ish. Oh my gosh, look at, oh, whoa. We're way past that, alright. Well, never mind on that. We're just going to completely restart on legs. But basically, if we go and look at our PD arrays for the day, these are just weekly opens. On the 4 hour, we have a low. We have another low. We have a 4 hour FEG that still has yet to be filled. What else do we have? There's the NWOG. I wouldn't use this wick. That's not a wick theory. There is this order block here. Okay. And if we go in the 1 hour, we have a FEG here. We're just going to mark this. We're just going to say OBCE. Perfect. Alright. So, because I care a lot more about imbalances than I do just normal PD arrays. So, 1 hour imbalance right there. We have, once again, this imbalance here, which has an engineered low. So, we could see price sweep that. Higher time frame SMT. It looks like we do have some. Not there. Not is that it? Oh my gosh, yeah, there it is. So this low, right? Basically, these lows have already been swept for NQ. So we do have bullish SMT. Let's just say from here, just to keep it simpler. We do have bullish SMT here. Ooh, yeah, not really a good leg here. Could just mark the NWOG here, or the new week, whatever. So that could be valid. Honestly, my brain is dead right now. So this is a bunch of bullshit, but this is still my outlook. So anyway, on the daily here, not really seeing much. Once again, the 4 hour, just kind of these equal lows in this fair value gap. I know a lot of people were looking at 770. And I like it too. If there's S&T down here, this could be a valid wick. Oh, that's cool. Just zoom me out of fucking nowhere. There is. Okay. So there's SMT residing here. This took a low. So this could be a valid wick. Let's It's not in a balance, so we're just going to go ahead and mark this and go bop right there. 4 hour wick CE. Boom. So there's this PD array, this FEG, which I'm drawing to, but if we fill this already, then I'll draw there, but if we don't fill this, then I'll maybe look to go there first. There's really no good legs, honestly. I wouldn't count that as a valid leg. That didn't really do much for me. This would be the valid one, but it's already been used. I just showed myself. There's this high here, which is right below the NWOG CE. I wouldn't really look for a play off that, honestly, though, because I just like using them as draws. I don't really like them as PDAs. I don't think we really have any more like PDAs we need to mark, unless there's SMT here too. Oh wait, this is SMT, yeah. So here's another valid wick, which I am gonna mark on the 4 hour. Come on, there we go. Another 4 hour wick. See. Okay, so looking at this now, we have equal lows, FEG, CE. We have 4 hour wick C, 4 hour wick C, order block CE. And we're gonna wait for any more standard deviations because there ain't shit right now. Yeah, so basically it's gonna be about what happens tomorrow. What happens, yeah. And, oh Jesus, CPI Tuesday, PPI Wednesday, unemployment claims Thursday. So middle of the week is pretty juicy, so I'm not gonna lie, tomorrow is probably gonna be a pretty choppy day. So I'm honestly not gonna look for any huge plays. If it follows my model, of course I'm gonna take it, but I'm not gonna expect to have a huge RR or a huge 200 point trade tomorrow. Yeah. And I think that's about as clean as I can get my charts. I don't really see any other things I have to mark. I can mark this high. On the 1 hour, yeah. There's not really any clean, like this. It's just not really clean. Besides these lows. These lows are really clean. And there are actually really clean equal highs here too. So honestly, we just want to see a breakout of the range this week. If this week we could get, actually we are for sure because there's hella news. So one of these days, I'm probably going to expect this to dump. Maybe even take out these lows, perchance. Or maybe just dump here, and then maybe react off the, maybe like come down here into the discount, and then go back up. But yeah, it's tough to say whether we'll be bearish or not this week. I mean, we stay bullish. It's all about where we're going to manipulate to first. If we see us manipulate to these highs first and get SMT, I'm going to be bearish for, it's going to be an open high low close on the week. But as of now, I'm expecting bullish price action. When you look at this past week, it looks like absolute shit. Like, I mean, Monday had the most movement. Well, no, Monday had all that movement. Tuesday had kind of shitty movement. Wednesday had like hella movement. Thursday was decent. That huge drop off. And Friday was pretty mid. But I mean, really can't complain. Dixie is still trending. It's starting to trend upwards right now. So It could be targeting this gap here, right? Or it could be targeting a weekly. No? Yeah. So I can see Dixie head up here, and NQ ended up manipulating up and going lower and taking out this low. And maybe even getting into this range. Maybe even getting to the premium and maybe filling this weekly fair value gap that we have here and this daily imbalance down here. But we'll see. News will have a big impact, and if Trump says something, we'll use that as well. But I mean, yeah. If I want to draw an arrow on what I think tomorrow's gonna do, it's probably just gonna be literally that. Hold up. Fuck you. It'll probably just be. We'll probably fill it and then move further down. Maybe react off this week C. And then I don't know. I usually like seeing manipulation of these like really clean levels on like a Tuesday or something. So maybe what Monday just does something like this. Literally this shit right here. Like no movement. And we're gonna go ahead and screenshot that and slap it in my journal. But yeah, that's it for tomorrow, I think.